Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Maddie.
Who's gonna go next? No.
Now Kelly.
I'm Callie.
I'm Colson. And today we are going to be reorganizing all of my fidgets. So that requires dumping them out and reorganizing them.
Well, can I tell you guys something?
What?
So before, just a few minutes ago,
Yeah, I already uploaded a video about
Maddie came earlier.
Anyways, so
I like these.
now you have to put them back.
They're so cute.
No. Put them back and give me the list.
Mr. P.
This is not Fidget City. So, we're going to go dump them out. Let me relocate this. Do you have the fidgets?
Back in place.
So guys, we're going to come over here and dump them all out. And then afterwards, we're going to clean them up.
We're just reorganizing them in the bucket.
Oh, Kelly, the minis fell out.
Oh, minis.
Okay, now let's get the bucket and dump it. Colson, it's fine if you're on Sissy's bed. Okay, let's dump it. Dump it. Just dump it.
Dump it out of the bucket.
Oh my god, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my god, that is so much fidgets.
Oh, there's more.
That's so much. There's more. I didn't know I have this much fidgets, guys.
And then Nicholas.
What?
No. Those are Maddie's. I didn't try to give them to him.
It's fine. All right.
I don't know where to put the bucket.
I just threw it on your bed.
Are we gonna reorganize them in the
Well,
bucket?
now we're kind of just gonna reorganize them. So first, let's spread them out, and let's just take a moment. No, that's good. That's good. That's good, Callie. So let's just take a moment to appreciate how many fidgets I have right now. Look at that. That's a lot of fidgets. So we're just gonna take a moment to appreciate that.
I wish we were playing Fidget City.
Why not?
Can we play after, maybe?
No, we have a lot to clean up, Callie. Anyways, this is so much fidgets, to giant poppets to rubber ducky squishies. So, let's get organizing.
Well, we're practically cleaning the. We're practically gonna. Guys, we're practically gonna actually clean
everybody can
up
just
this
hand me the
bucket.
fidgets. All the poppets only. No, Callie, not the minis. Callie,
Here, we'll keep the minis.
Callie, just put them in the pile.
No, we aren't doing minis.
Okay, hand me all the poppets.
Here you go. She starts.
So,
no,
here's
all the
one.
pockets. No, Maddie, you should start with the big one. We always start with the big one.
Here's another big Among Us poppet.
We'll just give you a big pile.
This.
We're just gonna
This.
We're just gonna randomly
Callie,
put a pile.
wait, let me do this.
I know
This.
Colson isn't playing.
Okay, so it can just be you. This popsicle.
No, take the ones that are in my hands.
This. These. Hang on, Callie. This.
Wait, you're sitting on the fidgets. Okay, I can be able to kid him.
This. It has a monkey noodle attached.
Yeah, I tried a monkey noodle.
I don't need the monkey noodles yet. This. This is probably my favorite puppet. I'm obsessed. I am obsessed.
This is our Nana.
Yeah. Nana.
We have two Nanas, actually.
We have two Nanas?
Yeah, we used to. I don't know where the other Nana went.
Oh, this is not Nana, Callie. All rainbow poppets aren't named Nana.
Only one of them is.
Yeah, but not all the rainbow
It's
poppets.
this one.
Oh, yeah, you're right. Anyways, Nana. Parts of puzzle pieces.
I don't know where the other puzzle pieces are.
I showed you a green one earlier. A Hello Kitty one. I actually got this from Ark. So, Ark has like the best poppets. They're super pastel and cool. Ark. The Ark? Yeah, the thrift store. This one is glow in the dark. So,
The one that, Nana. The one that,
Frisbee
Jamie takes us
poppet.
to.
A little mini mermaid colored poppet.
Sorry, guys. Don't worry about me.
Okay, Kelly.
Can you hand me those two?
Okay, Callie, you have all the fidgets practically. Callie, I can take care of the ones up here. Anyways, some mermaid color poppet action. More mermaid poppet. Okay, this one that's kind of hard to pop, but it's okay. It's a Barbie. And a sunflower.
I think after all those is it.
This one that Uncle James gave us.
I think we
And
already showed you
this.
the one just like that.
I know, but still, we're doing this. Oh, this little mini heart poppet.
Okay, now time for the next guy.
Okay. Do we have every single poppet?
I think so.
Now,
I'm just looking at
Callie.
I'm not playing with them. I'm just looking at them.
Now I need foam squishies, like only foam, not like big air squishies. Foam. Okay, so now we're
red.
on to foam squishies.
Is this Phil?
Ow.
Don't throw a bubble at us.
It's fine. Foam squishies. Mrs. Broadface. These three.
Is this a phone?
This unicorn without ears, for some reason. This unicorn donut, it makes butt cheeks.
Yeah.
Callie's obsessed with doing this.
Yeah.
Ah! I keep missing the bucket. This
think we
earth,
got-
I'm handling the earth right now.
Phone.
No! Callie, the earth went under your bed.
No.
The earth just rolled under Callie's bed. Okay, this giant ice cream squishy.
I'll be to the bathroom.
Oh, that's just gross. Okay, guys, Callie's gonna be right back from the bathroom. Let me pause the video. And Callie's back. So here is the ice cream. Callie.
Yeah?
Get right here.
Huh?
Get right there, where you are. Now we have this giant ice cream.
Wait, could you pause
This
the video?
little, why?
Because I'm going to put my unicorn thing on.
No.
Fine, I'll do it after.
And then this little cat. It had a keychain, but the keychain broke off. But it still has its little face. I know. That's fine. Oh no.
Mr. Guy.
The croissant. What's happening? A book just got me in the head.
Okay, don't fall. Don't fall, fidgets.
No,
Don't
Kelly,
fall.
don't make the fidgets fall, please.
Got it.
Anyways,
Sorry, guys. I'm just gonna.
and then we have a croissant that's ripped, sadly.
Yeah. I hate it when croissants.
Callie's transforming into a unicorn.
Yeah. Don't tell them. It's supposed to be a surprise.
All right, hand me the foam squishies, Callie.
That's it. There's two more.
No, there is not.
There's
Callie.
two more.
I can see so many more. You gotta look harder, Callie.
Oh, found one.
Yeah. Next, we have this cat stuck in a cupcake. That still has a keychain. Next, we have this thing. It's just worn out already. We still keep it, but it's still worn out. Next, we got this little panda.
There's some under the bed.
It's missing an ear right there, but then hand me them, Callie. This is your job. I was calling you guys to hand me all of them. Callie.
Transforming into
Callie, hand me this foam squishies, Callie.
Here. Here.
Okay, next we got this dog. Most of my squishies don't have like parts like ears usually. So, a lot of them have been through some rough days, and some of them I actually got like this year. But most of my foam squishies are like seriously old. Next, we got this popcorn. It's super easy to squish. I just love it. Oh God.
I'll be there when the unicorn moves. That's all the fun squishies.
Okay. Next, I need mochis. So mochis are like these.
Okay.
So mochis. Now we're eating mochis. Let me redo my hair real quick.
Mochi. Where's another mochi? Mochi.
Callie, I see one. Callie.
Oh yeah. There's one in here.
Nope, Callie, not the minis yet. Callie, I see another one. Here, we'll just get it. So we got 3 mochis. So we got this little hippopotamus and donut and hedgehog. Now hand me any cubes, like an infinity cube, a Rubik's cube, a puzzle, or like a puzzle cube, or the minis.
I'm keeping minis with me.
No, Callie, you have to give them to me.
No, I didn't give them to you yet. I have to give them to you.
No, you have to give them to me, Callie.
You don't.
So, Callie, no,
I was re-putting it to you.
So now we got all the cubes, like Rubik's Cube, Infinity Cube, Puzzle Cube, Mini Box Cube thing. And now we do the big squishes, like this, and this, and this, even though it's not squishy. So these 3. Okay. So, oh my God. After the cubes, we have this pink kind of ramen noodle stuff. This. And this, which its eyes does butt cheeks. Callie will literally look through every feature on a fidget to find how it makes like a butt cheek shape. So yeah.
And I found 2 so far. Just 2 so far.
But she will mold this probably into one. Anyways, now let's do poppet balls. And I only have one. So here's my poppet ball.
Okay, guys. I transformed into
It has
a unicorn.
no nose. So Callie is now a unicorn. And now give me everything else, basically.
You could just say me. Here.
Okay. So we got this.
If you guys looked on our other channel, there is one of
We
us
have
in
no other channel, Callie.
And in the morning, I was a unicorn.
Yeah, we have no other channel. We only have one channel.
Hey, Maddie, after this, do you want to do the 3-box thing?
No, Callie.
Then what do you want to do after this?
Nothing. This.
Just watch your phone or something?
This, which is Callie's. So you can keep that. The nose to our unicorn. And this, along with this. Oh my God, Callie! This and this. Oh God, Callie! All these monkey noodles.
If you guys smell my fart, please do not.
Callie, they can't smell your fart from all the way to wherever they live. All of these.
Oh, you're kind of right, Maddie. You are smart.
This.
What?
This.
Okay.
This.
So button.
This.
We button this.
This corn.
And
this squishy. Anyways, guys, bye.
Bye.
Callie, say bye.
Bye. I'm trying to.
Just say bye, Callie.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Anyways, bye.